Bearing installation. Right crankcase. Crankshaft bearing. Install the crankcase firmly on the engine jig. Apply clean engine oil to the outer race of the bearing. Place the crankshaft bearing squarely on the right crankcase from the inside with the number facing outwards. Seat the crankshaft bearing driver on the bearing outer race from the inside of the right crankcase. Now, thread in the handle of the puller-cum-installer in the driver from the outer side and seat the holder on the crankcase as shown here. Now rotate the handle in a clockwise direction to seat the bearing in the crankcase. Ensure that the bearing is seated properly in the crankcase.